Good morning, and welcome. Welcome back to this Chi Energy activation. Today is Wednesday, it's Happy Hump Day. We're going to balance out any midweek anxiety, worrying, or overthinking with some peace today. We're going to raise our body's vibration, the frequency of peace. To get started, we'll do a little activation with some bouncing. So with your legs shoulder width apart, your knees comfortably bent, spine comfortably relaxed. Smile on your lips. Let's just come into the practice with 3 gentle, deep breaths, focusing on your heart's energetic center, visualizing that golden sunlight in the center of your heart, warming your chest, radiating out to every part of your body. Feeling so good, feeling so present as we begin the practice. Now let's bounce. Bounce to your own natural rhythm. Breathing into the nose and out through the mouth. We try to do that healing or detoxifying breath, which means we breathe out for a couple of seconds longer than we breathe in. So we turn over the air in our lungs completely. As we bounce, we feel our feet firmly on the ground. We have awareness of all the sensations in our body. Feeling these sensations, we feel so alive. We feel so good. Now we raise our hands up over our heads. Soften the shoulders, open the chest just a little bit. Let your hands move freely as you're activating those energy buttons on the creases of your wrists. Continually breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Enjoy your bouncing. Smile as you're bouncing. Know that you're moving your lymph. You're helping your body to detoxify. And as you bounce, you can say, I'm opening, opening, opening all the energy channels in my head, my neck, my shoulders, my upper chest. Now let your hands come down to your sides. You can continue to bounce as you swing left and right. Arms coming across the body, tapping on the side of the ribs, front, and tapping on the spine at the height of the navel in the back. As you come across, you're also tapping on your liver on one side, your stomach on the other side. Let's raise the front hand up, tapping on the upper chest. And we're tapping on the lung meridians. And over the top of the shoulders. Back to the top of the chest. And back to the sides of the ribs. Slowly come to rest. Close your eyes for a second and feel the sensations in your fingertips, your palms, your arms. Feel the chi tingling, pulsing. Nice. Let's continue with some tapping activation now. We're going to tap using the middle 3 fingers, the top of the cheek. Times. Then on the inside of the eyebrows, sides of your temples, above the upper lip, below the lower lip, just below the collarbones, on the solar plexus. Form a cup with either hand, lean forward, cup the top of the crown just behind the center of the crown. Cup 9 times. Slide your hand to the base of the head. And now reach for the C7 vertebrae, the top of the back, the base of the neck, the one that sticks out. Massage in a circular motion or give it a squeeze. Set that intention that you're opening this important energy button on the energy highway, running from the tip of your tailbone to the top of your crown. Let's clap, activating the palms, activating the heart. Clap again 9 times. Extend out the left arm, cup the inside of the left elbow. And the inside of the right elbow. Under the left armpit. And under the right armpit. And with loose fist, tap on the kidney area. You can move those fists around a little bit, activating vital energy organs, the kidneys, with your tapping. Lowering the hands down now to lower back sacrum area, continue tapping. Now to the tailbone area, and you can also use the backs of the hands if you like. How to really send a nice vibration to the tailbone, feeling. Tailbone is another vital energy point. I'm tapping on the sides of the hips, tapping on those dimples. Lean forward, cup the tops of your knees. And the backs of your knees. Side of your left knee. The side of your right knee. Slowly straightening back up. Bring your hands into prayer position. Bow gently forward. And here's where you invite your God, the divine, the universe, the creator, the source, your ancestors, your spiritual master, whoever it is that for you represents that pure unconditional love, that most powerful healing energy. Invite them to help you with whatever your challenge is today, any physical challenge with your knee, your back, your shoulder, your ankle, any emotional challenge with anxiety, with sadness, or any spiritual challenge with being more kind, more compassionate. Set your intention for yourself or a loved one. And then you let that go, you release that thought as you bring your hands down to your sides and come into the beginning of the universe position. Your feet shoulder width apart, bend the knees comfortably. You find the center of balance on your feet. Round the arms out big, like you're holding pillows under your arms. Spread the fingers. Relax the thumbs, relax the shoulders. Elongate the spine, perhaps tucking in the chin, tailbone. Put a smile on your lips as you close the lips, breathing in and out of the nose if you can, resting the tip of your tongue on your palate behind the front 2 teeth. Now let's do some mindful breathing, long, slow, gentle, deep breaths. Breathing into the lower dantian, just behind the navel. Focus on the dantian as the air comes in towards the belly, then rises, fills the chest. As the chest fills, the arms rise slightly, a micro movement at your side, but you feel the chi expanding under the arms. As you exhale, the air moves down from the top of the lungs to the belly, then out the belly. The arms return gently towards the sides. Breathing in as you feel that expansion, you feel your connection to the breath of life, to the breath of the universe. Breathing out, you're releasing, you're letting go, you're surrender. Breathing in, you gather the essence of Qi. Breathing out, you release any excess energy that no longer serves you. As you do this mindful breathing, you feel your connection to all beings, to all things. You feel your connection to the universe, to the universal Qi, the Zen Qi, that peaceful Qi. And you feel so peaceful, you feel so relaxed, you feel so good. Now on a long, slow inhalation, sweep the arms up over your heads. Form a giant energy ball that you then lower down, relaxing the shoulders, bringing the energy down into your body. As you breathe in, you bend the knees, lowering your center of gravity while keeping your spine straight. And then as you exhale, you press the legs straight and rise back up. Breathing in, dropping down, feeling so rooted, so grounded in the energy of the earth. Breathing out, rising up, you can lift your head and your eyes and receive in gratitude that Zen Qi, that peaceful Qi from the universe. And you feel that peaceful energy flowing in from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, reaching every cell of your body. Feeling the shift in your vibration now as you raise your frequency to the frequency of peace. Close your eyes and go deeper into this moving meditation. If you like, you can visualize a beautiful golden light surrounding your stomach and spleen, balancing their energy, healing in the light, balancing any worrying, anxiety, overthinking with peace. You are in the peace. The peace is in your body. You and the peace are one. Feel how good that feels. Feel how wonderful that feels. Feel how peaceful you feel. Feel that frequency of peace pulsing in your hands, in your arms, your shoulders, your chest. Feel it in all your internal organs, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. Peace is your nature. You are vibrating at that higher frequency. You feel so good, so connected, so alive. Now say this affirmation together with me. All of my energy channels are open. Open. They are completely open. Any energy blockages are gone. They are gone. They are so completely gone. I know that I am healing right now. I know that I'm healing faster, healing more completely. I believe it. I trust it. And so it is. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In the next exhalation, let your arms come down naturally to your sides. Take a big inhalation. Roll the shoulders forwards for 1, 2, 3. Another big inhalation. Roll them backwards. 2, 3. Nice. Let's rub the hands. Get them nice and hot. Really hot. Place them over the eyes and project that warmth and love and light and gratitude to your eyes. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, eyes. Your hands down to the base of the chin. Let's massage the face in a heart-shaped motion. Up, across the forehead, down the cheeks, back to the chin. Close your eyes, visualize the heart. Say to yourself, I love my face. I love my skin. I love my cheeks. I love my nose. I love my lips. I love my teeth. I love my gums. I love my chin. Let's brush back to the scalp. Say to yourself, I love my brain. I love my left brain. I love my right brain. Let's cup from the forehead to the base of the head. Leaving one hand on the forehead, let's cup the base 9 times. Massage your ears, the outside, the inside. Squeeze and tug the earlobes. This is a full body reflexology massage. Smile. Enjoy. Bring your hands down now. Take a relaxing breath. And let's bring the hands into prayer position. Bowing gently forward. Give thanks to our God, the divine, the universal source, spiritual master, our ancestors, wherever it is we called upon, thanking them for their kindness, their compassion, their forgiveness. Rising up, we bow another time to each other, thanking you for your practice today. So happy to have you with me today for this Qi activation. Looking forward to practicing with you again here soon. In the meantime, my friends, light within me honors the light within you. Have a great rest of your day.